Fennel fruit infusion has a carminative, antispasmodic, and expectorant effect. The main types of pharmacological action includes mucolytic, antispasmodic, carminative, choleretic, and diuretic action. Fennel fruit essential oil has some antiseptic effect. In addition, fennel fruit has a calming effect on the central nervous system. It is noted that fennel fruits cause excitation of receptors in the oral mucosa and a reflex way enhance the secretory function of the stomach, intestines, bronchi, and mammary glands. Indications: diseases of the upper respiratory tract, especially with dry bronchitis. Diseases of the gastrointestinal tract accompanied by intestinal spasms, flatulence, dyspeptic symptoms, pain in the intestines. How to use: about 10 grams, 1.5 tablespoons of fruits are placed in an enamel bowl. Pour 200 ml 1 cup of hot boiled water, cover with a lid and insist on a boiling water bath for 15 minutes. Cool to room temperature for 45 minutes. Filter, squeeze the remaining raw materials. Volume of the resulting infusion is adjusted with boiled water to 200 ml. The infusion is taken orally in a warm form 3 to 4 times a day. Adults and children over 12 years old. 1/3 cup. Children from 7 to 12 years old, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Children from 3 to 6 years old, 1 tablespoon. Children under 3 years old, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon. It is recommended to shake the infusion before use. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to the components of the drug, pregnancy, lactation. Side effects: allergic reactions are possible.